Stereo. Ready, set, go.
My heart stereo, beat till you so listen close. Hear my heart in every note. Uh-oh, yeah, come on. Make me a radio, turn me up when you feel low. This melody was meant for you, kissing along to stereo. Oh, to stereo. Oh, sing along to stereo. What's up? No, said yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, that one.
What's your favorite song, Gray?
Stereo.
How does it go?
Watch.
Okay, I'll watch.
Bad guys. Okay. My heart stereo, music so listen close. Hear my heart and every note. Uh-oh, yeah. Make me a radio, clear me up when you feel low. This melody was meant for you. Welcome to stereo. Oh, to stereo. So sing along to stereo. Okay, can I know the front page? I want to scream and shout and let it all say no, meow, meow, meow. No, meow, meow. Okay, last one. Orange.
Oh, orange.
Orange paper.
Okay, what's the song?
La, la, whatever. La, la, la.
Doesn't matter.
La, la, la. Well, la, la, la. Tonight, there's a roof, top of the world. Tonight, and we're just on the top of the world. I don't know if I'll make it. Watch out, I'll fake it. It's alright. Tonight, let me hear it now. Oh, come on. Oh, let me hear it now. Oh, come on. Oh. Tonight, there's a real top of the world. Tonight, and we're dancing on the roof, top of the world. 10,000 reasons for my heart to find you. That's the one of my soul. Oh, my soul. Worship His holy name. Sing like never before. In all my soul, I worship His holy name. Yes, I worship His holy name. When the sun comes up, it's a new day dawning. It's time to sing my song again. Whatever more, I keep on singing. 10,000 reasons for my heart to find.
Let him sing a verse. Bless the Lord.
No, I don't want to do it. You know that I told Linda cut the song.
Oh.
Because then it goes on and on, that we never stop.
Oh.
Because we won't stop.
I like that song. It's beautiful.
What do you have Peter, James, and John or fishermen?
Try it.
I know this. Peter, James, and John were fishermen. Peter, James, and John were fishermen. Peter, James, and John were fishermen. Out on the deep blue sea. They cast their nets, but they caught no fishes. They cast their nets, but they caught no fishes. They cast their nets, but they caught no fishes. Out on the deep blue sea. But Jesus said, cast it on the other side. Then Jesus said, cast it on the other side. Then Jesus said, cast it on the other side. Out on the deep blue sea. They cast their nets and they caught a lot of fishes. They cast their nets.
Careful, Gray.
And they caught a lot of fishes. They cast their nets and they caught a lot of fishes. Out on the deep blue sea.
Good job. Oh, would you, Brooks, you're going to sing me what you know of the Old Testament because you don't have it finished. Brooks, you could sing me the New Testament.
How do I sing?
Matthew, Mark.
Okay, Matthew, Mark, John.
Yeah.
To the Romans, First Corinthians, Galatians, and Ephesians, Philippians, Colossians, First and Second Timothy, Titus, and Philemon, Hebrews, James, First and Second Peter, First and Second and Third John, Revelation.
Good job. Alright, Kenna's gonna do, she doesn't have all of the Old Testament memorized, but she's working on. She knows the New Testament. Let's hear. Woo, careful, Sonny, careful.
Whoa. Little kids off.
It's okay. They can stand, they just have to be careful. Okay.
I just have one start.
Starts out.
Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua, Judges, Ruth, 1st, 2nd Samuel, 1st and 2nd Kings, 1st and 2nd Chronicles,
Ezra, Nehemiah, Esther, Job, Psalms, Proverbs, Ecclesiastes. That's the part that we're learning now. That's as far as we've got. Ecclesiastes.
Funny. So that's all right on the back and the front.
Alright, yeah, you climb up and sing songs, Arden. What are you guys going to sing?
Yummy, 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 yummy. Yeah.
Yeah, you're going to sing songs too? What are you going to sing? Oh, yo, yo, yo. Is that what you're singing? Do you want to sing your, tonight?
Yeah, I can sing that.
Okay, ready?
And night.
Party on the rooftop, top of the world.